Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see a Pokemon Rarity guide. With your World Encounter Rarity you have Common, found easily in tall grass or overworld. Uncommon, spawns less frequently or only in certain areas. Rare, limited locations or low spawn rates. Very rare, often tied to weather conditions, time of day or special zones. Ultra rare or legendary usually requires event, static encounter or post-game, like Mewtwo or Zacian. And finally, mythical, event exclusive or distributed through special promotions like Mew or Syllabi. For the notable types, you have full arts, usually rarer than standard cards. Alternate art, often the most expensive due to low pull rates. Secret, rare, card numbers exceed the set's official count. Pull rates vary by set, but secret rares can be around 1 in 100 booster packs or more. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.